Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Resident Evil Requiem out of memory Fatal D3D error. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and download the latest GPU drivers. If you use AMD, go to the official AMD website, search for your GPU model, select your Windows version, and download latest drivers. If you use NVIDIA, visit the NVIDIA drivers page, enter your GPU details, search for drivers, and download latest version. Install the drivers and restart your computer. If the issue continues, open the Start menu, search for View Advanced System Settings, and open it. Under the Advanced tab, click Settings, then go to Advanced again and select Change under Virtual Memory. Disable Automatic Paging Size Management. Select the drive where the game is installed, choose Custom Size, and set the initial size and maximum size according to the on-screen chart, then apply the changes. After that, restart your system and launch the game. So that's basically how you can fix Resident Evil Requiem out of memory fatal D3D error. That's it for this video. Thanks.